Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode we'll be talking about Barnett link and how you can upload the configuration file including the voice file and the database file into the Barnett link. Let me start off by starting the Barnett link configuration software. I do not have my Barnett link connected to this computer. That's why I do see a USB not connected message coming up here. But if you do, you won't see this message. So on the Barnett link side, you'll be connecting via USB-B, and on your computer side or PC side, you'll be connecting using a USB-A connector. So it's like a printer cable, for lack of a better word. So once you load your configuration, go to connect. Make sure you connect to the correct COM port there. So another way to verify whether you have a good COM port settings, or rather whether your computer can see the Barnett, is by clicking on Windows here, Control Panel, and the search here, type Device Manager and click on the Device Manager right at the top here. And if you expand your USB, you should be able to see some Barnett link device in this Universal Serial Bus Drive controller here. So I'm going to close this here. I don't see mine because mine is not connected. And also you'll identify which COM port it is in, and you select the appropriate COM port. Once that is done, right? So you click on Connect, go database, and hit send. That sending takes about, I would say, anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes. It's relatively fast compared to the user voices MSG file, which we'll be doing next. So another thing to note is that during the sending of this file, your callout system is down. So if there's any alarm during that 1 to 2 minutes of downloading into the Barnett link, the Barnett link will not be able to make a call or a voice call or a text message or any of those annunciation. So that's how you send the database. So if you want to send a voice, you click on voice here, still connected here, and say voice here, and you click on the send button here. And you'll open up a pop-up window allowing you to select your voice message file. The file name extension for the voice message will be .msg. So this one here. This is my voice file. So once that's done, I click open and you'll start uploading it. Depending on how big your file is, this file is about 3 megabyte, about 4 megabyte. This takes me about a good 30 minutes to upload, 20 to 30 minutes to upload. So another thing you have to be cognizant is that during that 20 to 30 minutes of uploading, you will not have any call out during that time. So just be aware of that. So all this has to be coordinated well and communicated well with operations there if you're planning to do that. Anyway, once those are done, so these are two common ones, database and voice. I've not used vocabulary and event log in the past before, so this should cover a good 99.9% of the application out there. Anyway, I hope this tip helps you with your Barnett link. Other than that, you have a great day. Bye.